Today we're going to draw a happy ice cream cone. You're going to need a paper and a marker. We're going to start with a triangle pointing down. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Next, we're going to add an oval. Remember, an oval is kind of like a circle, but it's squished. And our oval is going to be this way. We're going to start at the top of our cone and add an oval on top. There you go. Perfect. We're going to add a semicircle on top of this. Remember, a semicircle is a circle, but cut in half. It's kind of like the letter D. If you'd like, you can turn your page this way and draw the letter D. You can make a line on top of your oval and then a D. Then you can turn your paper right side up. We're going to make another semicircle, but this one's going to be behind these two. So we're going to start right on the top of our oval and just make a hump until we touch the top of our letter D. There we go. Now, I like to add a smiley face to mine. So I'm going to have his eyeballs right here. 1, 2, and a smiley face. Then you can add some stripes to the cone. I like to go diagonal. For extra fun, you can add a cherry on top. For this, you can make a little circle. And I like to add a hook for the stem. And there you go. There's your smiley face ice cream. I hope you had fun. Bye.